Okay, before we go any further, I do want to talk about another one of the agents that we've added into this Exabeam Nova solution. And this is a really exciting addition. We call it Outcomes Navigator within the product, and the Exabeam Nova use case coverage summary within Outcomes Navigator. If you're not familiar with Outcomes Navigator already, this is intended to very quickly and succinctly give you an idea of which log sources and third-party connections you might be missing that would improve your security coverage score. And by implementing them, you can drive your detection fidelity up. Well, it's a great tool and our customers love this, and you can quickly see a snapshot of all the information that you get within Outcomes Navigator. But one of the things that we wanted to add was a quick summary in Exabeam Nova that highlights some of the most interesting areas of these findings, so you don't have to go and click into every single use case or MITRE attack coverage component and find out where you're doing well or maybe where you need to add some data sources. So within this Exabeam Nova summary, you'll see a high-level summary of the findings indicating where you might be very strong, what use cases you might be a little weak in, and that helps us drive an understanding of the security posture of evaluation. You'll see some of the things like critical coverage gaps, which tells you the use cases and the areas where implementing some additional data sources would drive your detection fidelity up, and specifically how to improve those with the recommendations, as well as a priority stack here from high to medium to low in terms of what to focus on first and where you're going to get the biggest bang for your buck. Finally, we have a future strategy here, which talks about some of the best practices for implementation that aren't necessarily related to additional log coverage or vendor product coverage, but help you improve your security posture through some of these recommended steps. So this is an addition that we've also added in our April release to Exabeam Nova. We call this kind of our advisor agent, and we'll be shortly adding the MITRE attack coverage summary to this as well.